Imagine this. You open your eyes one morning and the world feels wrong. The air is still. The trees don't move. The ocean doesn't breathe. No wind, no rhythm, no sound. You step outside and it's silent. Not peaceful, empty. And you ask yourself, why is everything so still? Then you look at the sky and you realize something impossible has happened. The earth has stopped spinning. At first, it looks almost beautiful. The sun hangs frozen above the horizon. Eternal dawn on one side of the planet, eternal night on the other. You wonder, wouldn't that be amazing? A world without time? But soon you notice the heat. The air gets heavier. Your breath feels different, thicker, slower. And then it hits you. Even though the earth stopped, you didn't. You and everything on the surface were still moving at 1,000 miles per hour. Can you imagine what happens next? Cars, buildings, oceans, all sliding eastward in a single unstoppable wave. The sound, like the sky tearing apart. The air, screaming. The horizon bends, and the planet that once felt safe becomes a weapon against itself. You try to run, but how do you escape something the size of a world? You look around. Cities, collapsing oceans rising like mountains. You ask yourself, where do I go when the ground itself is falling? You jump into the water, but it burns.
You hide in shadows, but the heat follows. And in that chaos, one question grows louder than the noise. Why didn't we ever realize how fragile motion is? Hours later, maybe days, maybe minutes, you wake up again. The air is colder now. The air is colder now. The sky above you, half burning red, half frozen black. You stand right in between them. The twilight zone. Half your body feels warmth, the other half freezing. Is this what balance feels like? Or punishment? You start walking. Every step feels heavier than gravity. You pass the ruins of cities once full of life. Now nothing but shadows pointing at the sky. Clocks have stopped. Rivers turn to glass. The world isn't dead, it's just waiting. You look at your reflection in the frozen water. For the first time you see yourself. Truly see, if everything stopped today, would I have done enough? This is the real meaning of motion. It's not about speed, it's about purpose. The world spins because life moves forward, because everything from oceans to hearts must keep going. Without movement, there's no sunrise, no time, no change. You lift your head one last time and look at the half of the sky that's still burning with light. Maybe the world was never meant to stop. If the earth truly stopped spinning, if every sound, every wave, every heartbeat went silent, would you fight to move again? Would you push against the stillness just to feel alive? Or would you let the silence take you, slowly, quietly, forever?